The two most important days in your life are the day you're born and the day you find out you're wild. Quoting Mark Twain here. Hi, my name is Sarita Shetty. I'm a family life coach and a storyteller. I come from Mumbai, a city where dreams are born every day. But amid all that excitement, it's easy to lose sight of your own dreams and purpose. Growing up, I often found myself trying to fit into different roles, pleasing others, wearing masks that hid my true self. It wasn't until I began to ask myself, what is my why, that I started discovering my true calling. This journey of self discovery led me to where I am today, doing what I love, teaching, coaching, telling stories, and helping others discover their own why. Have you ever wondered what your life could be if you were living in complete alignment with your true purpose? Most of us deal with it at some stage of life, don't we? Tell me, have you delved into the challenges of finding and following your why? Even when the world pulls you into different directions. Imagine waking up one day to realize that everything you have been doing has been leading you away from your true self. The masks we wear to blend in and the liberating yet difficult process of taking them off to reveal who we truly are. I've always believed that stories have the power to heal and reveal. So I am sharing with you my story today. As you listen, I invite you to think about the masks you wear in your own life and what it would mean to take them off and live according to your true purpose. Right from my childhood, I was captivated by the impact of my favorite teachers had on us students' life. I always dreamed of becoming a teacher, of guiding others and making a difference in their lives. After my graduation, I initially pursued chartered accountancy, thinking it was the right path for me. I studied diligently, balancing my articleship with the responsibilities of married life. Despite my efforts, I didn't clear the main exams. While everything seemed to be going well on the surface, deep down I felt incomplete and trapped, uncertain about my true path. My lifelong dream of teaching kept resurfacing, reminding me of where my heart truly lay. I was determined to follow that dream. By my God's grace, I went on to earn a master's and completed my B.Ed too, eventually stepping into the world of teaching. The day I embraced my soul's calling of teaching, coaching, and storytelling, I experienced a profound sense of freedom and joy. What drives me the most is witnessing my students' transformations and knowing that in my own small way, I'm making a difference in the world. Today, I invite you to decide whether you choose to continue down a safe but unfulfilling path or choose to unmask and take the leap to pursue your true passion and purpose. What mask are you wearing? Are you ready to unmask and live life fully? If my story resonated with you and you're curious about more tales of unmasking, join us at the Gatha Mumbai International Storytelling Festival 2024. Together we'll explore Mukhota, unmasking narratives, revealing the truths hidden beneath our masks. Join us as we uncover stories of the hidden layers of life and explore the true essence beneath the mask at the Gatha Mumbai International Storytelling Festival in Mumbai on October 18th, 19th, and 20th. If this story added value to you, please share it with others. And let's begin a conversation about the masks we wear. You never know. Through these conversations, someone who needs it might find a breakthrough. I would love to hear your thoughts and stories about unmasking narratives in your own life. Feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you.